Yes, you see?
Are you live?
Yes,
on
I'm
Facebook?
starting, yeah.
You're starting? Sissy made everybody say, well, hello.
Wait, I'm going to
Nobody's
come out.
gonna
So what's
see
your
me.
name on Facebook?
Sissy made is there.
Just SIS to come out.
Yours, she's huge.
come I've
She's...
never-
You've never heard of her?
Yeah, when did you start the thing?
Ah, long time.
Really? I've limited Facebook. I used to be a Facebook.
Yeah, it's now getting, it was getting a little bit toxic.
Yeah, I used to.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah, Morosawadu. Morosawadu. Morning guys.
Morning, everyone. Hello, wherever you are.
Good morning. Hello.
Guys. Hi guys. Sorry. Just good people, guys. These are our friends from Nigeria, guys.
This is the face of Nigeria here.
The first of Nigeria.
Yeah, Pamsi.
Are you married? Are you married?
I'm not married. I'm single.
This one is single, guys. I've got single guys here.
I'm seriously session.
Yeah, he's single and seriously searching, guys.
Yeah.
Somebody saying Oga. He's not Oga. He's Igwe.
No, this one is Otumba. Otumba.
What is Otuba?
Otumba.
What is that?
And the right hand of King.
Oh, the right hand man of King. The king's man.
Chieftaincy title in Nigeria.
Oh, he really for real?
Yeah, chieftaincy title.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, guys. To Nasi Tiripa, this is a Britannia hotel. Tukumbomati coffee. Yes, we are here, guys, drinking coffee. Right now, we are on a coffee break, guys. Oh, we have this one as well. Hi, greet them, greet my people, greet my friends.
Hello. Oh, you're live.
It's live.
Yes, I'm live.
You're an influencer.
Aisha, say hi.
I'm also on Instagram, but I've never been live.
Now you are. Now you have been there. And
Okay,
I've got another
tell
brother
them
also. I've got another Oga here. Another Oga here.
Hello.
Listen, tell them to follow me as well, please.
What's your name?
I will tell you.
Okay. Right. You just tell me your name and then they'll follow you.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. Tiripanapa. Here, this is where we are, guys. To those who came with courses, guys. Those who came with courses, Wakoya course, and you want to upgrade.
Hi, Nhlanhla. From Cholocho, Zimbabwe. We are still mourning about our friend who lost his life in a car accident. We are sending the prayers to the family. He will be late to rest on weekend, I understand. Today we are in Britannia Hotel in Manchester, special for those who came through the COS visa. They are doing some training so that they can adjust for effective practice here in UK.
Yes.
I hope you are all doing well, guys.
Yes.
If you need any details about the training, it is very, very essential.
Very essential.
To do this kind of training so that you can apply safe practice.
Yes.
In your practice wherever you are doing it. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Nhlanhla.
As I know you.
Really?
As I know him.
Who knows me?
Bobo. I don't know now. Bobo. I think it's a ghost name now. I don't know who the person behind Bobo is.
Most of the people in UK, they know me. Actually, I'm a junior pastor.
Okay, sure. Tell them.
I don't know. My username is
What?
Steve.
Let's see.
__
Ooh,
I.
let's do that. This guys, Aru Kumbirao, she's asking you guys to follow her as well. I think she's quite interesting. I don't know. That's her username. Take a screenshot, guys.
Oh, that's nice.
Take a
Please,
screenshot.
guys, follow me.
Take a screenshot.
So excited. _.
You see? Take a screenshot so that you can.
I don't know the language, you know.
Yeah, it's English though. Oh, some is Shona, some is English. Right. So guys, yes, we are here. Yeah, your brother, you can go ahead.
Yeah, and for those who are in Manchester, I'm based in Manchester myself. I worship at the 12th Apostolic Church of Christ if you need to come and worship with us, you can come and join us.
You can see me.
We speak using our native language.
Yes.
Come and enjoy Shona.
Which church? 12 Apostles.
12 Apostolic Church of Christ. Come and enjoy. On Saturday, it will be fire.
Coach. Say. Right. So, guys, as I'm saying, if you go on internet, there's a training center that is called Eagles Gate. Oh, then you're wrong spelling. Eagles Gate. Right. We are here in Manchester. No, it's not you. Why? No, they don't. Then it's not coming out. Hey. So we are here, guys. If you want to enhance your program, if you want to take your courses to another level, guys, you are here with care, right? But things can change anytime for you guys. I think you have seen me coming here and pleading with you guys to give Vamoka courses, Mabasa switch and stuff like that. This is the opportunity for you guys. Come here, guys. Come here. Okay, you didn't see. Okay, they are saying the Asian girl, we didn't see the name properly. Okay, I'll pin it for you guys. Okay, I'll pin it for you.
Yeah.
Just enroll with these guys. Vanoita zvema training Emma. Vanotraina izvo zvema PMVA. Zvokudzidza kuti unoshanda sei nevanhu vanorwara nechirwere zvepfungwa, how to handle them, and it's essential munomu, like kana uchipinda mune izvo zvema NHS and izvo imo mukati zviri very essential, handitika zvinotodiwa, zvinokubatsira paCV yako and stuff like that.
She is.
Zvinokubatsira paCV yako nezvimwe zvakadaro. Saka kana wakapinda nekosi paya, gatinosora netinyeye negwedu, chirungu chocho ndinetsa. Kana wakapinda nezvedu nezvemakosi izvi guys, kana uine nguva anditika hanzi mapa training, yes zvese zviripo. You can unokwanisa kupinda woita kuti uenderere mberi, utore certificates akati one day. Andimaona ndakambokudzai paya mazuva afura ngati guys, ndinenge ndichiverenga makanga mchiti chiri kuitika. Mchiti sisine ndichiti mbomirai vanhu vachida kuzati ari kuita nezvei, akagarirei. You remember some other people who were trying to dig so much. Ari kuita nezvei, what is he doing guys? There you go. Ndikuita makosi angu. Ndikuita zvechikoro. Ndozvandakamirira. Saka so far, if I can tell you guys, I have 18 certificates. 18 dzandava nadzo 18. So just because varidzi vecompany vati no tiitireiwo accept matsiketawo, that's why I am doing it. Do they have one in SA? No, I don't think their company is in SA yet though. It's not. So I will pin in the details. SMA details ndokupai vari kubvunza. Ndichakupai my details, then you can call them and you can inform more and you can start from there. Takudzokera class guys, we are now going back into the class. It was just a short break. Nambo sakapi yangu tindatadza kutomwa tea mchitaura neni guys. Kumondite kweni. Ndatadza kutomwa tea yangu guys. Ngandimwe tinzokera. Saka the beauty yesisiveri diaries. What happened? Panangosvika ndichikuona muno. Pawandiona. I didn't know that.
Oh, Sisimeli, I'm so happy to say I followed him.
Tell them I have changed my username.
Okay,
I make it easy
all right.
for them.
Okay, what's the?
I.
Write it.
Okay, let me just.
Then okay, fine.
Yeah.
Then I pin it. I'm gonna pin it.
We'll do another each time. Tell them to follow this lady. I'll also follow them.
Right, Hansi, follow me and I'll follow you. So guys, takudzokera ndichatidzoka pa lunch. I'll come back pa lunch, then tozotangira ipapo.
Guys, take the screenshot of my username so that you guys can follow me. I'm so excited.
I want to go to this dream passage in life. Okay, guys, we are going. We are going. We'll
Guys, take the screenshot quick.
I'll come back at lunchtime, guys. At lunch now, we are going back to school. We are going back in the class, guys. We'll see you after what? Lunchtime.
At
Lunchtime.
I think yeah.
We have lunchtime. Yeah. She took one night for lunch, guys.
All right, guys.